I was sent this really cool LED light that has a hand control kind of like button. I shouldn't even call this a button, but yeah, I was sent this for my review, and this thing is really cool. How this works is basically, well, you have this really nice LED, and they come in different sizes, and the great thing about this is that you can connect them and have them kind of like a longer LED bar under your cabinet, which is fantastic. Now, the cool thing with this is that it does, and I'm going to put it right here so you can actually see, it does come with a little button here, or a little controller, and this has a sensor, and as you can see, I just turned it on, just by waving, turn it on and off just by waving right in front of it, just like that, right? So it's got a little sensor there for your hand. So if you put this like maybe in a closet, maybe in a room, maybe in a bathroom at night, and you just want to have something that you can just, you know, you don't want to have a light switch to turn on, you just go like this in front of it and you turn it on or off. Is also something really cool on this, is that there's a 10-minute timer and a 30-minute timer, and it is pressable. So I can actually press it, and just like that, it tells me, like, now I'm at 30 minutes. Now I'm at 10 minutes. I can also change, and you're going to see it right there, change the color temperature, just like that. I'm going to go bicolor, cool, or warm, which I think is great. And I can also, up here, change the intensity, as you can see. So this thing is partly button, but also sensor as well. It works fantastically. It's such a nice little upgrade to your cabinet, maybe to a closet, to a bathroom. For us, in our case, for our kitchen, under the cabinet kitchen, super useful. Adds a little bit of a nice touch. LED lights are always a nice touch, as you can see. We're big fans. But yeah, this thing is great. Really well fabricated, and also comes with magnets that you can actually attach to pretty much any surface. Fantastic.